When you are speaking English, describing exactly where you are can feel confusing, but you can solve most of this location confusion using three small words. First, remember that when you talk about yourself, you use I'm. This is simply the combined form of I am. Now let's look at the baseline rules. In means you are inside a place. At tells someone your general location, and on is used for common expressions. Using these three categories gives you a clear starting point. Let's look at how to apply them. Use in when you are physically enclosed inside a space. You are in the room, in the office, or in a car. Use at for a general map location or a destination point. For example, you are at school, at work, or at the airport. Sometimes these situations overlap. Think about places like the mall or the park. You can use both words depending on what you want to say. Saying I'm at the mall communicates general coordinates. Saying I'm in the mall emphasizes walking inside. If your objective is simply to tell someone where you are, defaulting to at for locations is a reliable choice. Next, we have on. We use this word for digital spaces and telecommunications. If you are using a device, you are on the phone or on the internet. Transportation is slightly different. Use in for a personal vehicle, like in a car. Use on for public transit, like on a bus, train, or plane. Don't worry about complex grammar rules right now. Simply memorize this split between your car and public transit. Treating digital spaces and large transit as a distinct category prevents you from trying to translate the logic directly from your native language. Let's fix a few common beginner mistakes. Don't say I'm in phone or in internet. Say I'm on the phone. Don't say I'm in airport. Say I'm at the airport. And don't say I'm on a car. Say I'm in a car. Correcting these specific patterns early helps your spoken English sound more natural to others. Let's test what you've learned. Look at these 5 sentences and choose the correct word: in, at, or on. Pause the video right now and determine your answers before I show you the solution. Here are the answers. I'm in the room. I'm at the airport. I'm on the phone. I'm in a car. I'm on the bus. Testing yourself this way helps bridge the gap between understanding the rules and actually using them in conversation. To recap, in is for inside, at is for a general location, and on is for common expressions and transit. Now it's your turn. Go to the comment section and write one original practice sentence using I'm in, I'm at, or I'm on. Practicing this way helps lock in the lesson so you're ready to use it in your next conversation.